Today, we'd like to show you the Alpha Laser entry-level model for laser welding, the ALIM. The idea was to design a highly flexible, user-friendly and ergonomic laser welding workstation for the daily use on both small and large parts. The laser system consists of a laser with 150 or 200 watt average laser power, an operating unit for controlling the axis, a precise responsive joystick that moves in X, Y and Z axis. A rocker switch on the joystick can also be used to control the optional rotary axis. The two-stage foot switch triggers the inert gas and then laser pulse. The fixed optics to direct the laser beam vertically onto the workpiece. In front of the laser Z-axis is enough space for a wide variety of tables or for large pieces on a pallet. You may place a scissor lift table, a table with Z adjustment, or you can work on the Alpha Laser tabletop, which is also available. The resonator can be swiveled to both sides, left or right, and may be moved back and forth in a precision rail. Thus, you can also weld large parts directly on the forklift or on the pallet. Now, let us talk about the options. A tilting wedge for the microscope ensures an ergonomic working position for the operator. The binocular can be tilted from 5 to 25 degrees. You may choose between 3 objectives with a standard focal length of 150 mm. The fixed optic is standard, where changing between the optics is quickly done by the dovetail fixation. The fixed optic with bright white LED ring light for even better illumination of the work area. And finally, the legendary Alpha Laser turn and tilt optics. With the patented Alpha Laser multifunctional foot switch, all relevant laser parameters such as voltage, pulse length, pulse repetition rate and the welding spot size diameter can be adjusted without interrupting workflow. But that is not the only interesting software feature. There are apps for the rotary axis for welding on jacket surface. Even a fully automatic wire feeding system can be included into the configuration. Within the app for circular welding, the angle of rotation, the diameter of the component and the speed of rotation can be set so that the laser system performs the welding automatically. This feature can be used, for example, to weld covers for sensors. Conclusion: the ALIM is highly flexible, powerful, very robust, expandable with lots of options, cost-effective and reasonable priced.